Next question number 6. If a equal to x such that x equal to 6n, n belongs to whole number and n less than 6. B equal to x such that x equal to 2n, n belongs to natural number and 2 less than n less than or equal to 9, and C is equal to x such that x equal to 3n, n belongs to natural number, 4 less than or equal to n less than 10, then show that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Now look at, now here is the proof. X is equal to 6n, x is equal to 6n, and n belongs to natural number, whole number start with 0 as well as n is less than or equal to 0, whole number start with 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you should not write because no down symbol, so this is the n value. So you can substitute here, n equal to 0, 6 into 0 answer 0, n equal to 1, 6 into 1 answer 6, n equal to 2, 6 into 2 answer 12, n equal to 3, 6 into 3 answer 18, n equal to 4, 6 into 4 answer 24, n equal to 5, 6 into 5 answer 30. So now A value we can write 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. This is the value of A. Same way B value, B equal to 2n, n belongs to x is equal to 2n, n belongs to natural number start with 1, but they given condition. What condition they given? From 2 to 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but 2 is not included because they did not given symbol, so 2 you leave it. Remaining what? From 3 to 9 n value we can use, so n equal to 3, that means 2 into 3 answer 6, n equal to 4, 2 into 4 answer 8, n equal to 5, 2 into 5 answer 10, n equal to 6, 2 into 6 answer 12, n equal to 7, 2 into 7 answer 14, n equal to 8, 2 into 8 answer 16, n equal to 9, 2 into 9 answer 18. So B value 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This is B value. Same way C also they give a condition, x is equal to 3n, x is equal to 3n from 4 to 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 is not included, that means 4 to 9 we can take. So n equal to 4 from here to here. N equal to 4 means 3 into 4 answer 12. N equal to 5, 3 into 5 answer 15. N equal to 6, 3 into 6 answer 18. N equal to 7, 3 into 7 answer 21. Next, n equal to 8, 3 into 8 answer 24. Next, n equal to 9, 3 into 9 answer 27. Now we can write C value. C value is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now only we found A value, B value, C value. After that only we have to go the sum. Now I written A value, B value and C values. Now what is the question? A minus B intersection C. LHS side I am going to do. LHS side the first is what? B intersection C. B value is what? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Intersection C value. C value is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. What is common here? Intersection means common. What is common? 12, 18. 12, 18. So 12, 18 is the common here. B intersection C value. Now what they said? A minus B intersection C. A value is what? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 minus this value 12, 18. So 12, 18, 12, 18 cancel. Remaining 0, 6, 24, 30. This is the answer of A minus B intersection C value. Equation 1 we can take. Okay. Next equation, that means RHS side. RHS side is what? A minus B. A minus B. A value 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 minus 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay. Now, what is cancelling? 6 will cancel, 12 will cancel, 18 will cancel. 6, 12, 18 will cancel. Remaining 0, 24, 30. We should not worry about the second part because it is a subtraction. This is A minus B. Next, A minus C. A value is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 minus C value 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. What will cancel? 12 will cancel, 18 will cancel. 12 and 18 will cancel. Remaining 0, 6, 24, 30. This is A minus C value. But the question is A minus B union A minus C. Union means what? We have to join, no? So here see 0, 24, 30 union 0, 6, 24, 30. Now join it 0, 0 here common, 24 common, 30 common, 0, 24, 30. Remaining what is the 6 alone is the 0, 6, 24, 30. In sector the order is not important. We can write any order itself. Ascending, descending or mixed also you can write. Okay. So this is equation 2. If you are observing the question properly, the same answer will come. LHS also 0, 6, 24, 30 and RHS also 0, 6, 24, 30. So we can say finally, you can say equation 1 equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. The same question you write A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus. This is the answer. You can write ends verified or ends proved or anything. Okay. Thank you.